Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use AI and ChatGPT to create insanely very nice web designs. Now with that being said, let's get started. So first is I'm gonna go to my computer browser and I'm gonna head on to the Midjourney website. So the Midjourney website is where we will be doing most of the work to have a glimpse or to have a idea on our web design. So I'm just gonna go to join the beta right here. So this is very easy and this is very simple to do, but you must have Discord in order for you to have to use Midjourney. Now as you can see right here, I have the Midjourney bot and I have created my own server so I can generate all of the things or all of the AI art that I want to do. So I hate to break it to you that this Midjourney is not for free, so you need to have a plan in order for you to use Midjourney. So as you can see, my plan right here is around $10 if I'm not mistaken. So let's just wait for Midjourney to load right about here. And as you can see, yes, I have a basic plan that cost me around $10 right about here. So make of that as you will. So for you to use Midjourney, you need to have a plan. So moving on is once I'm in the Midjourney bot and Discord, all I have to do is to hit on /imagine. Now this is a command prompt that we can actually command Midjourney to have, or for us to give Midjourney a design that we want to have. So for example, I am creating a web design about t-shirts. So for now I'm just gonna say, can you make me a web design about t-shirts? So I'm just gonna wait for Midjourney to actually start. As you can see, waiting to start, and Midjourney will now generate what we have commanded. So this will take around 1 to 2 minutes or maybe around 3 minutes. So as you can see right here, this Midjourney is still at 15%, so we'll just wait for Midjourney to generate it. So still in 46%, so let's just wait for Midjourney. So as you can see, Midjourney has created a design about a t-shirt, so we can actually use these t-shirts for our web design. So if you are not satisfied on what you have recently found, you can actually go to version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. So this means that if you click on version 1, this is the version 1 actually. If you click on this particular image will give you another versions for you to have an image. So for now, I'm gonna use version 4 image. So I'm just gonna click on version 4 so that Midjourney will give me another version of this particular type of image. So once I click on that, as you can see, Midjourney is making variations for image number 4 with prompt, can you make a web design about t-shirts? So we will just wait for Midjourney again to actually so as you can see, we are done with this, and as you can see, I have already upscaled this particular image for us to actually download. So all you have to do is go to web and click on yes, and of course Midjourney will now go to, as you can see, this failed. Now we'll go back to Discord and we'll actually just click on the image and we'll go to open browser so that we will actually save this one. I'm just gonna right click on this and I'm just gonna save image as, and I will save this in my desktop. So I'm just gonna say t-shirt web design. So next is what I want to do is go to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will give us an outline of our website. So I'm just gonna head on to chat.openai.com. This is the ChatGPT website. And for those of you who don't know what ChatGPT is actually an AI tool which you will command something and ChatGPT will actually answer what have you commanded. So basically it is like Midjourney, but it doesn't have photos. So I'm just gonna select can you make me an outline of a website about t-shirt with title, subtitle, or let's just go with this. Can you make me an outline of a website about t-shirts? So I'm just gonna send image right here. As you can see, sure, here's an outline of a web t-shirt. So there you have it. There is homepage, there's about us, t-shirt collection, different categories of t-shirt, custom t-shirt, style and trends, size and instructions. So as you can see, this is the outline that ChatGPT has given us. So next is I want ChatGPT to give me a title of let's just say a web design we have. So I'm just gonna say, can you give me a title of a web design, subtitle, some call to action buttons. So I'm just gonna select that one. I'm just gonna hit on enter. So as you can see, here's the title. So as you can see, here is the title that ChatGPT has given us, like Tea Heaven, your ultimate destination for stylish t-shirts. Subtitle, discover a world of comfort and expressions. And he gave us some call to action buttons. Now, next is I want ChatGPT to give me a brief description of our website. So I'm just gonna say, can you give me a description of my website? So I'm just gonna hit an answer right there. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT has given us a description of our website. So as you can see right here, you can actually copy and paste this to your website. So once you are done with that, we can now actually go to a website editor. I usually use editor X right here. So I'm just gonna say go to edit right here on blank canvas, and as you can see, it will lead us to the blank canvas template right about here. So under the blank canvas, we will be creating our website. So we will just wait for it to load. So this may take a lot of time depending on your internet connection. So as you can see, we are now on editor X. So first things first, all I want to do is click on add element right here, and I'm going to add a title. So the title of ChatGPT is given us is this one, for example this one. So I'm just going to copy this one and just simply add a text right here, delete this one, and just simply paste it right about there. So I'm just gonna send it right here, and you can add some subtitles. Just gonna select paragraph right here, right about there, and I'm gonna go to ChatGPT again, and this is the subtitle: discover a world of comfort and expression. So I'm just gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna go back to the editor X, and I'm gonna edit the text again, delete this one. I'm just gonna paste the text right about there. Next is I want to add a call to action button. So I'm just gonna go to add elements again, and I'm gonna select button right here, and as you can see, this is the button. So I'm just gonna put the button down below right about there, and I'm gonna change the text. So let's go to ChatGPT. So we will just say shop now, and next I'm gonna select right about there, shop now. So the last thing we want to do is we'll add our image that we have just created using Midjourney. So I'm just going to go to the add elements again, and I'm going to go to image. And right about here, I'm going to change image, and I'm going to upload media. And make sure to choose from upload from computer, or if your image is on your Google Drive or your Facebook, you can actually select a bunch of different menu right here. So for now, I'm just going to select upload from computer, and of course I'm going to go to the desktop because this is where we have saved our image that we have just created from Midjourney. So I'm just going to hit on open, and it is now uploading. We'll just wait for the file to be uploaded, and of course we'll just wait. And next is once you have done that, you can actually go click on update right about here, and there you have it. You can now drag it right about there, and perfect. So next is if you want to create some more design for your web design, like if you want to add some t-shirts right about here or some logo right about here, I highly recommend you to use Canva. So I'm going to go to the Canva website, and mind you, Canva is free to use, but you have the option to actually go to the Canva Pro. So just look into that if you want. So first I'm gonna search for a, let's just say, t-shirt design. So let's just right about here there are a bunch of t-shirts design that we can actually use, but I am not going into that. So let me just go to one of my projects so we can actually select a t-shirt on the elements section. So for now I'm just gonna go to elements and I'm gonna say t-shirt, and as you can see we have a bunch of different t-shirts we can actually use. So for example, I'm gonna use this one right here, and all you have to do is go to download, and I'm gonna download this particular page only. So I'm just gonna head on that one, I'm gonna go to download and wait for my download to start, and I'm just gonna save this one right about here. And next is go to my editor and simply just click on the add image again and change image. Make sure to choose the image from your computer or wherever you saved it from. So I'm just going to select this one right here, and this is all up to you guys. If you want to add a bunch of different design, you can actually have a lot of designs that you can actually have, but I highly recommend you to use Canva because Canva is very easy to use. So next I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to hit on update so that my t-shirt will actually be in here. Next is I'm gonna just simply put it right about there. You can actually put it right here or anywhere that you want. So next is if you want to add a logo, you can actually click on the logo and change the vector art. But for now, let's just go to the Canva and let's just say t-shirt logo. So as you can see, as to no avail. So let's just go to logo right here. Under templates, t-shirt logo. So we'll wait for it to load. As you can see, Canva is now loading our t-shirt logo. So this depends on your internet connection if it will load very quick. So we'll just wait for Canva to load it. So as you can see right here, there are a bunch of different logos that we can actually use. So for now, I'm just gonna use probably this logo right here. So I'm gonna customize this template, and we can actually make this as our own by customizing it right here. So for now I'm gonna leave it right here to save some time. So I'm just gonna hit on share and download right here, and we will wait for it to process. And I'm just gonna say t-shirt logo. Next is I'm gonna go back to editor X and I'm gonna change vector art, and I'm gonna upload media. So you can actually select a bunch of different media art right about here, but for now I'm just gonna use the image that we have actually made using ChatGPT. So I'm gonna open this one right about there. As you can see, it is uploading, and we'll wait for it to upload. So there, and I'm gonna say, let's just say add this to page. It says only vector art can be chosen, so we will just use a vector art right about here. Change vector art, and we'll just say search for t-shirt. So as you can see right here, there are a bunch of different designs that we can actually use. So for now I'm just going to use this one right here. I'm going to add to page, and there you have it. We can now have our logo. And next is, if you are done with that, you can actually have a preview right here. So this is the preview of your t-shirt website or that I have created right about here. It says 2023 by name of site and created on editor X. So next, if you want to publish it, all you have to do is to click on publish, and of course get a free editor X domain, so you can actually save or get that one, or if you have your own domain, you can connect at your own customized domain. So I highly suggest, if you are very serious in making your own personal website, you can just get a free editor right here or connect your own personalized or customized domain. So for now I'm just going to select get a free editor X domain. So I'm just going to save and continue. And there you have it. Your site is published and live online. This is my this is my free domain right here. And what's next is to connect your personal domain and enable online payments. Now, to do that, all you need to do is to upgrade your site. And these are the plans that are available right here. So I'm just gonna select this one right here. For example, this is the site that I have actually created. So I'm just gonna upgrade site right here, and it will lead me to this page next. So as you can see, these are the premium plan that you can actually pay if you want to continue with your website by Editor X. So you have the Ultra, the Extra, and the Essential. So the best value, and Editor X recommends the best value around $27 per month. So so that includes, you can have custom domain, you have free domain for 1 year, and you can remove the Editor X branding. You have free SSL certificate. Your storage space is around 20 gigabytes, and your video hours is around 2 hours. And the lead capture forms is around 25, and the field per forms is 50. You also have visitor analytics app, professional logo, social media logo files, customer care, like dedicated customer care. So if you are if you are serious with it, you can actually select your plans, and you can now start your business on your website. So if you have some questions, some clarifications, some suggestions, or even some comments, just leave it down in the comment section below. And with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!